starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Coming up now, all 6 robots coming to life. We see Coral being delivered from the Blue Alliance as well as from the Red Alliance. Team 48 Elite trying to see if they can remove some algae placed over onto the Red Alliance barge. 694 Stiples having a piece of Coral, trying to see if they can place it over onto that level 4 reef zone. And that looks promising. Meanwhile, 1768 Neshoba Robotics placing a piece of Coral over onto the reef zone and removing some algae at the same time. 48 trying to score up some algae. Meanwhile, over on the Blue Alliance side, Team 319 placing a piece of Coral over onto the level 3 of their reef zone. 88 TJ Squared placing a piece of algae over on the Red Alliance barge. 1768 Neshoba Robotics trying to place a piece of algae over onto their Red Alliance barge, but it looks like it bounces off and heads over to the Blue Alliance. 190 Gumpy and the Herd having a piece of algae, placing it over onto the Blue Alliance barge. 694 Stiples placing a piece of Coral over onto their reef zone. Meanwhile, over on the Red Alliance side, Team 88 TJ Squared placing a piece of Coral over onto the Red Alliance. Red Alliance now completing their level 4 reef zone. 48 Elite placing another piece of algae over onto the Red Alliance barge. 319 Big Bad Bob placing a piece of Coral over onto their reef zone. Stipulse delivering a piece of algae over to their processing area. 88 TJ Squared bringing over a piece of Coral to their reef zone. 50 seconds remaining, 5-0. 1768 trying to bring over a piece of Coral, placing it over on the reef zone, but it looks like it just slips off. Meanwhile, 48 Elite hanging out with their Blue Alliance friends. 694 Stipulse having a piece of algae in their possession, trying to see if they can place it over in the processing area. Meanwhile, 88 TJ Squared zipping along over on the Red Alliance side reef zone. That sound does mean there are 20 seconds left. Trying to place more Coral over on the Red Alliance side. 694 Stipulse bringing over another piece of algae for the Red Alliance barge. 8 seconds remaining. 48 up in the air. Do we see anyone competing for that BC dot? 319 and 88 both competing for 1 robot up, 2 robots up. 4 robots are currently up in the air. As time has expired, we will have an official score for you here in just a moment. Eyes up, scores up. Looks like it's going to the Blue Alliance with a score of 259 to 247. A very close game. We will see the Blue Alliance of 190, 319, and 694 over in the finals.